Hi, we're making butter chicken today.
Hi, we're making butter chicken today.
Ow!
What's focus supposed to look like?
Like we're not.
Ooh, it's like one of those slime videos, you know? I think it might be mixed though. No, you gotta keep mixing it for another minute.
Who just saw shots?
Alright,
Who's trying to make slutty onions?
I was running. Can I take the apron off now?
Nope. That is an actual.
So this is the oil. This is how much oil I put in here.
So our good quality camera died, so now we're using Grace's phone. Rosh, you're like the special guest chef and you're not even wearing the apron.
Fam! What?
Where did the cherry come from?
Well, I got beat up so much last night. I'm hurting.
Ow! Yeah, did you?
Rosh, you're not even in the
frame.
frame. I literally hate you.
You just go, stop messing with it!
I'm not messing with.
How much more chicken is there?
A lot.
If it says fry the onions, it means the onions have to be pre-prepared and everything.
Go ahead, prepare them.
I was just saying we should start making the sauce. You said no, we have to make it in the pan.
The sauce is not the onions.
That's part of the sauce.
Hey, Chef Grace.
Literally gonna start crying.
Not that serious, Mom.
Cross contamination. You know the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Spotlight, moonlight, jolly. I know how to cook. You need salt. I grew up in a house where we actually make flavorful. Oh,
It's okay, that shit's ugly anyways. I'm kidding.
Bro, where's that wagon though?
Huh?
Low key though?
Yeah.
I'm finishing. I only have one more piece. Oh my god, it's good.
Is it good?
You may not them.
But we didn't make it, so.
The sauce, pretty good.
It's good!
You
This
like
is
it?
fire. The chicken is a little hard.
Like and subscribe.
And high five!